This video shows how to clean and lubricate the carriage rod on the HP Latex 500 printer series. Prepare the following tools and materials before starting the cleaning process: 95% ethanol, lint-free cloth, oil, gloves. HP recommends performing carriage rod maintenance whenever the printer prompts you. The message will be displayed on the front panel. To launch the guided process, touch the settings icon on the printer's front panel main menu. Then touch preventative maintenance tasks. Then touch carriage rod lubrication and follow the instructions on the front panel. Open the printer window when prompted. Clean the carriage rod with alcohol and a clean lint-free cloth. Dampen the clean lint-free cloth with 95% ethanol. While cleaning the carriage rod, be careful not to damage the plastic strip located above the rail. Insert the cloth between the plastic strip and the rail. It is important to clean the complete surface of the rail, including the rear. Do not touch the encoder strip or you might damage the printer. Grab the carriage rod with the cloth, then clean the rail on the left side of the carriage. Clean the entire rail, including the part under the left cover. Touch OK when you finish cleaning the carriage rod. Close the printer window when prompted. The carriage moves to the center. Open the printer window when requested by the front panel instructions. Clean the part of the rail that was previously covered by the carriage. Clean the entire rail, including under the right cover. After cleaning the carriage rod, lubricate it with oil. Use the bottle of oil supplied with your printer. It is important to use the correct type of oil. Replacement bottles of oil can be ordered if necessary. For best results, deposit a very thin, zigzag trickle of oil along the rail on both sides of the carriage. Do not apply a straight, thin trickle of oil. While lubricating, be careful not to get any oil on the plastic strip above the carriage rod. Touch OK when you finish lubricating the rod. Close the printer window when prompted. The carriage moves from one side of the printer to the other to distribute the oil along the rail. Touch OK to confirm that lubrication has been completed. The printer checks if the lubrication process has been effective and shows the results on the screen. Touch OK to finish. You can find additional helpful videos at hp.com/support videos and on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/HP support advanced.